Hi. Just someone wanted me to do a 5-minute burp thing, air thing. Well, I need to get a timer or something. I'll just check. Yeah. Oh. I cannot do that. No, I cannot do that. Ow. I feel like I have a heart attack or something. My dad says I might burp my lungs out. Okay, I don't know what to do, so I guess I'm gonna try that again. Oh, I hate this. Can't you just tell me to do something that's easier? Come on, this is hard. I should be playing on the Wii right now. It's 9:02. I should have started 15 hours ago. Ah, come on. No, can't do it. I cannot do it. This is really hard. I'm supposed to keep trying for this? Oh, come on. You don't even hear my burp when I'm done. This is so stupid. Oh, whatever. Ow. That hurts. Wow. My card is full and I'm going to delete something. Man, I only have so much for one burping video.
I didn't eat breakfast
yet. Man, I have to keep that longer. If I eat, then I can keep doing it for a long time and stop and do it whenever I want again. Because I keep my gas in if I eat. Like the food keeps it down in there or something. But it's not loud enough. Oh yeah, and one thing that I really need to know, I'll do anything, even do this again, try this again for at least 3 minutes. I need to know if there's some video editing software I can use, because I don't have any. Because I only do it, like, I try Windows Movie Maker, Movie Maker thing, doesn't work. Still, I need some kind of thing, I don't remember, some codec thing. But there's some guy tried 4 days to get the right codec, but it didn't work. So yeah, I'm not gonna try doing that.
Turtle.
And that's what happens when your stomach, when the gas gets stuck on your bones. It's stuck in there still. Oh man, I feel really bad. I can't. It's a morning. Why should I be burping right now? It's like 9:06. Which must mean I don't know how long we've been on. Let's see. 7 minutes? Wow, the time goes fast. Well, I don't feel so well, so bye.